Good morning, everybody. Welcome back, Bonk community. Oh, excuse me, I just bumped my table to death. Welcome back to a new video on Bonk. Wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to do an update on that. I used to cover Bonk daily. I mean, obviously, well, I think it's quite obvious why I stopped covering it. It's been quite bearish. We haven't had much movement. It's still bullish. I mean, it's still up a lot over the last 2 weeks. But obviously we have seen Bonk fall down quite a bit. So I just wanted to do a quick update. I do think we're getting to levels right now which are actually pretty interesting. So that's also one of the reasons why I wanted to cover it. Whether you agree with me or not, we'll see. All right, it doesn't matter that much. I mean, it's good to have a different opinion. But I'll tell you what I think. I'll tell you what the different possibilities are. I'll tell you what Bonk needs to do to rally, because I do eventually expect a Bonk rally again. The big question just is when. All right, will we first drop down another 20% before rallying? Then it might not be good news, right? But no, if you look at Bonk right now, I mean, we were consolidating here at this support level on top of 17,500 for quite some time. But even when we were there, and when I still covered it last week, for example, I always said is that, you know, Bonk doesn't show any momentum. So it's just a matter of time before we'll probably drop down lower towards 15,000 and then potentially this level down here at 12,500. So that eventually happened. I don't want to say I told you so, but it's like you could have seen this coming. And now you can also see that the open interest, so the momentum that Bonk has, is still very low. All right, it has dropped down after that flush we got throughout the markets yesterday, and it's still pretty low. It's growing a little bit, but at this moment, there's no indication that Bonk will rally. And we're waiting for that. We're waiting for indication that we'll have a rally, which is possible. I mean, it is still possible because the support level which we're at right now, 15,000, technically and psychologically is a strong support level. The thing is that what we're waiting for is some sort of bullish confirmation, which usually comes in the form of a bullish breakout. And that doesn't look likely. I mean, it looks more likely that Bonk will just continue falling down at this moment because, like I said before, there is no indication yet of any bullish momentum, and that's what we're waiting for. And now I'm following this, all right? So if it's there, I will definitely tell you. But what needs to happen is that the open interest, for example, needs to grow by maybe 20-25%. If that happens, then Bonk will start moving up. And then if Bonk, for example, breaks back above 17,500 from here, then we're rallying. That's a major bullish breakout, and then we can rally a total of about like 30-40%. So that's what we want to see, but at this moment, it's just not there. At this moment, it's just most likely that we'll follow the technical structure. And the technical structure right now is that we found strong support at 15,000, strong psychological support, but that the structure is bearish, so that it's most likely that we'll drop down to this level right here between 13,000 and 12,500. And from there, we'll see again. I mean, honestly, I think we'll have a better chance from there. Technically, that's a stronger level as well. So from 12,500, again, I'll monitor the open interest. And if the open interest starts going up, and from that level, we're able to break above 15,500, again, we can rally. All right, that's what we're waiting for. That's what I'll keep my eyes on. But for now, like I said, there's well, long term, I think Bonk is still great as well, because I think Solana is here to stay, and Bonk will remain the biggest meme coin on Solana. So long term, I think Bonk is fine, can still do great. But short term, it's not looking so great. We're waiting for strong support and then some sort of momentum build up. But like I said, I'll keep you updated. For now, these are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find out more info on my premium and signals group. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.